So what does a chiropractor do for you? This is really not very specific, but it really depends on what you're coming in for. If you're coming in for pain, we can help you through that. If you're coming in for wellness goals, we can help you with that. If you want to perform better, we can even help you with that. So it really depends on what you're coming in for. What does a chiropractor do on the first visit? In our office, when you come in, initially, we'll sit down with you, go over your full health history, medical history, surgical, medications, all of that information. That way we get a good picture of what exactly is going on and how it's impacting your health. Then, if we deem necessary, we'll move into exams. So we'll do some testing, orthopedic testing, neurological testing, and x-rays as well. That way we can visualize everything, make sure there's nothing that would contraindicate chiropractic care, and to see exactly where we need to treat. What does a chiropractor do before performing an adjustment? Before performing the first adjustment that we do with you, we'll go over a couple of things. So we'll let you know you're in charge. There's not going to be any surprises. We show you what it looks like, how it'll feel. When you say go ahead, then we'll do your adjustment. I know a lot of people are anxious and nervous, especially when we're doing some adjustments to their body. So we walk you through it. It's a gentle and easy process to go through. So that way we can make sure you're not nervous and you get a better adjustment that way. What does a chiropractor do for lower back pain? We're chiropractors. We're trained in chiropractic adjustments. So most likely we'll be performing adjustments if we feel like that is necessary. We may also prescribe exercises to help with any muscle imbalances. And what does a chiropractor do for neck pain? So similar to the lower back pain, we'll take a look at all of your exam findings, your x-rays, depending on how you present. We'll recommend either chiropractic adjustments, exercises, stretches. We may even recommend decompression therapy if you're having any kind of radiating pain. So those are some of the treatment options that we can do for neck pain. And what does a chiropractor do for headaches? So it depends what's causing the headache. A lot of times we'll see that if there's misalignments in the neck, that can cause headaches. It can also be caused by tight muscles in the neck. It could also be caused by other things like nutrition or dehydration. So I really need to dig a little deeper and find out what's causing the headache before we can treat it. But structurally, we take a look at if there's any degeneration in the neck or if there's lack of curvature in the neck. Those are two huge things that contribute towards neck pain that chiropractic care can help with. What does a chiropractor do for sciatica? Chiropractic care is amazing for sciatica, which is pain that goes down the back of the leg. So sometimes it's coming from either something pinching on the nerve coming from the low back. It could also be caused by tight muscle in the buttock region, your piriformis. So by working on loosening that muscle up, that can help alleviate the tension on the sciatic nerve. Also, chiropractic adjustments to the lumbar spine or low back can help to ease the tension on that sciatic nerve, which will in turn improve your ability to function and decrease that pain. What does a chiropractor do for neuropathy? Actually, here in the North office, we have what's called Kennedy decompression therapy. So that is a therapy that we use to help decompress the spine. You can use it on the neck, the low back to help take the pressure off of the nerves, and it helps to get nutrition or nutrients into the disc space. Also helps to take the pressure off of those nerves. Those are some therapies that we can do here for neuropathy. Also, if there's something like diabetic neuropathy, which is more like numbness in the feet, that's something that responds well to laser therapy, which we have over at the South office. And what does a chiropractor do for back pain? That's more generalized than just low back or neck pain, but we really dig deep to find out what's causing that back pain. Is it a muscle imbalance? Is it lack of mobility, flexibility? Is there degeneration leading to that back pain? But most likely we're going to be doing some adjustments to help improve range of motion, get motion through those joints. I always say motion is lotion, and then give you exercises. That way you can help to strengthen and stabilize all the muscles around the spine. That way we can decrease the low back pain. We have some more questions. Here we go. When chiropractors crack your back, it can go wrong, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know where actually needs to be adjusted. So that's why we do a very thorough examination and x-rays. That way we know exactly what bones need to move, where we need to move them. So that prevents us from doing any wrong. But if you go to another chiropractor that doesn't take x-rays, that's a possibility. So make sure you're getting x-rays. When chiropractor pulls leg, oh my gosh. Maybe if your leg falls off, which I hope that doesn't happen. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, hopefully your leg doesn't fall off. When chiropractors pull your neck. Yeah. So if that can be something that is, it can cause some discomfort, especially if you're unaware. So hopefully, you know, we do a good job at walking you through all of your adjustments, especially if we're doing something like that. That can cause a lot of traction through the neck and upper back. A lot of patients love it. Some patients might not like it. Find out if it's for you. And then when chiropractic was invented, D.D. Palmer was a very interesting man. I don't think anything went wrong with when it was invented, but he was kind of out there when it comes to his philosophy and everything like that. So, but I'm glad that he started chiropractic, because I wouldn't be doing what I did today, and I wouldn't be able to help you guys out if he didn't start it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got a kick out of our answers from the most Googled searches about chiropractic. If this video was helpful, or if you have any questions, please let us know down below in the comments. Please like and subscribe for more information, and take care.